So today we are looking to a very new topic that is known as homologous series. In shortcut we will be writing it as a HS. So what is homologous series? This series of compound in which all members can be represented by a general formula. All the members are represented by a same general formula. So what is the characteristics of homologous series? How do we define whether it is a homologous series or not? So first point, two consecutive members differ by a CH2 unit and their molecular formula mass differ by 14 units. The molecular mass should be differ by 14 units. And what is the second point? Functional group must be same. In all homologous series, the functional group must be same. It can't be like one is ether and another is alcohol, which is defined as a isomers. And what is isomers we're gonna study next. But if you know a little bit idea about isomer, then you may understand that. Third point, all members of homologous series have same general method of preparation. They do all have same general method of preparation. It is not like another member of homologous series can be prepared by another method. All should have same. All members of an homologous series have similar chemical properties, means they can react with same and form the same product, same type of product, not same product. We can write it as the same type of product, right? But different physical property. Now how different physical property? Because let's say the boiling point of one is X, another boiling point should be higher if it has more molecular mass, because boiling point directly depends on the molecular mass. So example, if we take like alkane, the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So if I write like CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10, all are differ by CH2 unit. It is also differ by CH2 unit. And if you say the molecular mass is also differed by CH2 unit. Now if we write another example like alkene, general formula is CnH2n. So it is C2H4, C3H6, C4H8. It is different by like CH2 unit. Right? Another example is alkyne. The general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Like C2H2, C3H4, C4H6. It is differ by CH2 unit. Differ by CH2 unit and differ the molecular mass by 14. Now if I write one more like alcohol. The general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Like CH3OH. CH3 CH2 OH. CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. It is differ by CH2 unit. So these are the members of same homologous series. These are the members of same homologous series. So that was all about homologous series. So now we are going to start the IUPAC. So we just look the common division of organic compound. How organic compounds are being divided. Or we can say they are classified. So first of all, it is acyclic or open chain compound. And second is cyclic or closed chain compound. So it is known as aliphatic and this is known as ring compound. Let's write it as a second. Now aliphatic is categorized into straight chain and branched chain, whereas cyclic is categorized into homocyclic and heterocyclic compound. Now homocyclic compound is further classified as alicyclic and aromatic compound. Now further aromatic compound is categorized as benzenoid compound and aromatic is further categorized as a non-benzenoid compound. So this is the overall categorization of organic compounds.